I'm good.
What's it? Do I have to tell my name?
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
You're intoxicated in a public
No,
place.
I'm not intoxicated.
Do you have a beer in your hand? Is there a beer in your hand? It looks pretty fine to me.
Yeah, no doubt. I'm not intoxicated.
Okay.
I'm pretty good.
Like these guys hate guys like me.
I love you. I love you.
I love him.
All right, folks, and again, we have another exclusive video that was sent to me. You guys are not going to see this anywhere else, and you guys are absolutely going to love this video. If you have a video that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. Let us know if you want to stay anonymous. We will not give up our sources. We have done this for plenty, folks. If you have a channel that you want us to highlight, let us know. We can highlight your channel for you. Try to give as much information in the video as possible. Names and badge numbers, departments, all that good stuff. Many of the folks in the comment section like to make phone calls. They like to redress their government, folks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell because you do not want to miss the videos that we are going to be bringing to you guys. They're educational, folks. You will learn something and you will be empowered. Here's your video.
It is there. That is the one thing that the elite said. If you live through life the second time, whatever you ask for, you get. I'm just talking from spiritual life. As you can see, look. Okay? I'm just talking, man. I'm sorry I got too loud. Okay. No more. No more. You won't hear me no more. You won't hear me no more. Seriously, you won't.
Okay, what's your name?
But I have to speak out loud. And God. And God created the heart.
Hey, can you...
I have the right to record in public.
I'm sorry.
This guy thinks it's what's your name and badge number? Hey?
Really, I am.
Hey, name and badge number?
But I don't want to get loud and boisterous anymore.
I ain't got to give you anything. I'm
What do you
talking to
mean?
him.
You're supposed to identify yourself. If I ask for
Right.
your name and your badge number.
Okay, do you know him?
Nope, don't have to. What's your name and
He's
badge
one of
number,
my
bud?
angels.
Do you see the name?
Thank
Nope,
you, my
can't
friend.
read.
Thank you.
Oh, you can't
Literally.
read. Okay.
What's your name and badge
Well,
number?
it's right there, Dad.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Complaint. What's your name and badge number?
It's right here, man.
What's your badge number?
1644.
What's your badge number?
1673.
Thanks,
you,
bud.
my friend.
Have a good one.
I got
Thank
you,
my
bro.
friend.
No, I'm chilling right
Thank
here.
you. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
I'm good.
What's it? Do I have to tell my name?
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
You're intoxicated in a public
No,
place.
I'm not intoxicated.
Do you have a
Are you
beer in your hand?
intoxicated?
Is there a beer in your hand? It looks pretty fine to me.
Yeah, no doubt. I'm not intoxicated. I'm
Okay.
pretty good.
Like these guys hate guys like me.
I love you. I love
No,
you.
I love
got
him,
you.
man. It's
You know
awesome.
that, right?
It's awesome. That's why you
I'm-
wouldn't. That's why you wouldn't give your badge number,
No,
eh?
'cause
So I can say whatever the
I've
fuck I
never been in a
want to you,
situation
pigs, and you
like
can't do
that.
nothing.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
great.
Yeah, sure
Just
thing.
give up and never want to move on.
I know my rights, bro. I can sit here and put the camera right up on you.
I mean, it seems like it's all good. I mean,
Everything's good.
He's talking to the spirits. He already told you what he was doing. I don't know why you're still here.
I'm talking to the divine being, and
that's
that's
just, well, someone called us and they said that, you know, someone was doing some stuff over here. And we got
What did I do over here? Did I hurt anyone over here? Did I? I never hurt no one over here.
I'll tell you what the call was about.
I'm talking out loud,
So we got
and
a
I'm
call.
speaking out loud, and I'm sorry
We got a call.
that I spoke out loud.
We got a call
Yes,
that you were by the splash pad.
and I was what?
By the splash pad.
No, I never was by the splash
I'm just
pad.
saying. I'm
I've
just
been
saying.
sitting here all the
I'm
time.
just saying what our call was.
Right?
Okay. So we had a call.
Yep.
That there was somebody described exactly how you're dressed right now. Okay.
I
No
was never
shirt,
by the splash pad.
blue jeans.
Yep.
That you were causing disturbance. That at one point you had your hands down your pants.
Nope. Not
Okay.
me.
I'm
I've
telling
been
you.
sitting here.
I'm just telling you.
That's what we
What
heard,
time is it
right?
now? What time is it now?
7:30.
7:30? I've been sitting here for the past 4 hours, speaking to the divine being that is, right? And if I was speaking out loud and being boisterous, I'm sorry, right? But divine being speaks to me in a certain manner, and I speak back to the divine being the way I'm being spoken to, right? And that's it. So if I was loud and boisterous, I'm sorry. But I was never by that. I've been sitting here for the past 4 hours, my friend.
never put your hands inside your pants.
No.
That's all it is, man.
No, no. Why do I need to put my
I've been
hands
fishing right here.
inside
He's just yelling. That's it.
Come on, right?
Sounds good.
Give me a break, right? Everyone has a break. Right.
Exactly.
No shit.
It's Sunday, right? Just enjoying.
It's
That's all
Sunday,
it
it's
is.
right. And I'm out here enjoying. I'm enjoying the sunlight. I'm enjoying getting connected with my higher divine being. You can't stop, right?
No.
No shit. That's all I'm doing. And I was never near. I was never near that area, and I never put my hand down my pants. I'm not a pervert. I'm not a pervert. God is not a pervert. By the way.
No, I hope not.
Right, right. And I am, but
Wait, well, you were what, sorry?
I am God, but I'm not a
Oh,
pervert.
okay, okay.
Great. If you can understand that, then you're one of me. But if you can't, then you're not.
Then I'm what?
You're not one of me, right? Right? Pretty simple, isn't it?
I'm not
Come on, man.
the case study, but we'll see.
Look at the sky, guys. Look at the sky.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the sky. Look at the sky.
What about?
See how the sky is?
Pretty good, huh?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't that a beautiful sight? It almost looks like angel wings, doesn't it? Eh? It almost looks like angel wings.
Yeah, man.
No shit, man. It's beautiful. I mean, life is beautiful.
It is.
You got to share what you feel inside
Of course.
to others, right?
Yep.
If they don't accept it, then they don't accept it.
That's all it is.
That's all it is, right? And if I gotta shout my words out, I'm sorry, right, for shouting it out too loud. But that's it.
Any drinks today?
You know, I did have a couple of drinks today. Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
Cool.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
No, it's good.
Well, I'm gonna lie to
Did
you.
you have any drinks here?
I did have a drink here. Yeah,
Here in the park?
yeah I did have a drink here.
Stop talking, bro.
That's not that, that legal to do that, right?
I didn't know that, right?
Stop talking, dude.
I thought a park
No,
was.
he said he didn't know.
I
so
didn't
it's
know.
Okay.
I didn't know, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't really have any concerns right now.
Yeah, you're talking to us. That's all it is.
From my understanding, there was a splash pad like right pretty close to us, but
Right.
I don't see a splash pad. There's no one really walking by, so
I mean, there's
you just have to understand where we're coming from, right? And someone
And
gets
understand
yeah.
where I'm coming
I,
from,
I,
too, right?
buddy, I totally get it. I get
I'm
it.
coming from a higher place than,
Yeah.
than what is, right?
I
Hey,
understand.
man, what's your name and badge number?
Sorry?
That's just
What's
the
your
way
name and
it
badge number?
Hughes, badge is 1716.
Cool.
Ah, that's an angel number, isn't it? Be good, guys.
Yeah, I mean,
Enjoy
if
life.
you guys are cool,
Right?
yeah.
Enjoy
We're gonna
life.
be out of
Yeah,
here.
cool.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right.
Be
Have
good.
a good one.
You want
Be
to
good.
yell at
Enjoy
anybody?
life.
Cheers.
First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Pay them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We CopWatch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We CopWatch, stand on my respect. Can't kneel up on my neck, can't search without no cause. Stop questioning my dog, ain't no pressing me. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Keep the camera rolling on me, cause it's public property. I know my rights, I want to do, you know yours. What's the First Amendment? Of course, you got a badge, trying to reinforce yours. I am who I am, did what I did, I was where I went. Tax dollars, yeah, I spent, now I missed. Quick to harass me, too flashy, or the color of my skin. Side of town that I'm on, or the tents on the Benz. I got rights and I learned the law, I ain't broken it since. I know the pigs just wanna see us in pen. I wonder what does it end? First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Pay them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We CopWatch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We CopWatch, can't duck 12, I tell them everything they represent. Everything they know they not, I recite the document. 1A media, I'll turn you to a superstar. San Joaquin gon' educate you by your cop car. Preaching know your rights, cause it's time. You should get yours, cause I'm about to get mine. I'm teaching the course, so come and stand in this line. The footage so real, make sure you catch it online. Crooked or a bootlicker, we know what to do with you. We gon' let you speak your lies, then the truth hit you. Give you some education and some motivation. Cause I ain't gon' watch the pigs just bully the nation. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Pay them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We CopWatch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We CopWatch, not so quick to call 911. Cause they pull up and they don't care who got the gun. They cuffing everybody, don't care who was the one. Guess we all Clifford, I bet we all differ. I pay way too much cash to get bullied by the law. Pulling up to the car with your gun, what's that for? Ain't nothing illegal on me, you still searching for more. You better put that phone out and record, we CopWatch. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We CopWatch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We CopWatch.